other organs that are covering the pericardium, which are the epicardium, which is the outer layer, the myocardium, which is the mid layer, and the endocardium, which is the inner layer. Now, we have a disease condition that can affect the heart, and it is called ischemia. Ischemia is the poor production or the poor release of oxygen to the body. Now, when oxygen is not released to the heart, it is called myocardial ischemia. And myocardial ischemia can actually be caused by so many things. Just because of our time, we're not going to be talking so much about it. We have cases of atherosclerosis, where your artery is not able to release oxygen, because we know definitely if there is a blood flow, there should be oxygen flow. So when there is a disruption in the artery, definitely there is blockage and it's not able to release blood, which is called atherosclerosis. There is also a condition called blood clotting. When blood is clotted internally, it actually restricts the free flow of blood, which actually restricts oxygen supply to the heart. Now, how do we as pharmacists now manage the issue of ischemia? We know that symptoms of ischemia actually include angina. Okay, now angina is definitely pain in the heart. Any part of the body that has pain is called angina, but when it comes to the heart, especially the back part of the heart, it is called pectoral angina. Now, if you want to manage angina, we want to manage ischemia, we have some drugs, which are, we have the NTG, that is nitroglycerin. We have the beta blockers. We have the calcium channel ion blockers. Now we're talking about the nitroglycerin because of our time. Nitroglycerin is actually an inactive form of nitroprusside. Now, when nitroglycerin is released into the smooth muscle, it is actually acted upon by mitochondrial aldehyde dehydrogenase. That's the enzyme that acts upon it to convert it to nitrous oxide. Now, when nitrous oxide is being converted inside, it's still in the smooth muscle, it now stimulates the production of another enzyme, which is cyclase enzyme. The cyclase enzyme actually work by, because the cyclase enzyme itself actually converts it from guanosine triphosphate to guanosine monophosphate, which is the material that helps in the relaxation of the blood vessel, because when the blood vessel is relaxed, then oxygen is now being released. So they are called vasodilators. So this is just to tell you that we pharmacists have actually put our minds and our professionalism in place to make sure that all of these things is tackled and our society is a better place for us to stay. Thank you so much from all of us in pharmacy. Thank you.